Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Today's recipe is a quick and easy one. I'm just going to be preparing one pot chicken and rice. This recipe is so easy and quick to prepare, so without wasting much more of your time, let's get into this video. So for the ingredients, I have salt, I have mixed herbs, chopped garlic and chicken seasoning. Here I have vegetable oil, smoked paprika and white pepper. I have diced red and green bell pepper. Do feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. I have here chopped onions and I have rice. I'm using basmati rice. Feel free to use any rice you like. Here I'm using chicken legs or chicken thighs. And I'm just going to seasoning it with the salt, mixed herbs, smoked paprika. I have chopped garlic, white pepper, and the chicken seasoning. I'm just going to marinate this and allow it to stay for about 15 minutes. Please do feel free to use any seasoning of your choice, any seasoning that you like or you prefer. It doesn't have to be the same thing I'm using, just use anything that you like. So after 15 minutes, I just add a bit of oil into my pan, and I'm just going to pan fry this for about 3 minutes on each side. I'm doing this because I want to get that chicken flavor into the rice. And then after that, I'm just going to flip it over, let it fry for another 3 minutes, and then I'm just going to be grilling this in the oven. I'll set it for 180 degrees, and then I'll let it grill for 20 minutes. So this is ready, so I'm just going to go ahead and take it out, and I'm just going to place it in my baking pan, and then I will be baking this. So when you are doing this, please just feel free to use any ingredient, any spice of your choice. So in the same oil, I just added in my chopped onions, and I will fry this for about 1 minute, and then I'll add a little bit of the green pepper just to give it a nice flavor to the rice. And then add in your washed rice, and then you pan fry this for about 5 minutes. So while you are doing this, keep on stirring, and I'm doing this on a medium heat. After that, I just added in my diced vegetables, which is the green and the red bell pepper, and then I add about a tablespoon of smoked paprika. You can also use curry powder or turmeric if that is what you prefer. And then I went ahead and added in my boiled water. Test for salt, test for the salt and the seasoning, and then you can adjust to your own taste. So I just went ahead and add the excess oil that drained from the chicken, and then added a little bit more water, and at this point I just placed in my chicken legs, and then I'm doing this on a medium heat, so just cover this and allow it to cook slowly. And this is it. Just check if all is set or well cooked. As you can see, the rice is all well cooked, very soft and moist. And that's it. I'm having this with my green chili sauce, and this was super delicious. It was so simple, very easy, quick to go, and very delicious. So I hope you guys find this interesting and very helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe, share this video, leave me a comment, and please do not forget to stay safe. Give it a try and let me know how it tastes like on the comment section. I will be seeing you all in my next one. Take care and may God bless you all. Bye.